How to change your display language on XM application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change the language on the XM app but can't find the option, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open your XM application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now this will open up My Profile section where you'll need to click Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Language. Now select the drop-down under Language and select a different language you want to change to from the list. Once you do, your language setting will change immediately. Now you can come back to this same menu and change your language whenever you want. So that's how you easily change your display language on XM application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.